10 signs your mechanic is ripping you off. 50% of American drivers were sold unnecessary repairs last year. Industry survey, not my opinion. And I'm one of the guys who used to do it. My name is Fatih, 20 years as technician and service advisor. Today, I'm exposing the 10 warning signs your mechanic is ripping you off. Hit like now and comment which shop tried to scam you. Your story could save someone thousands. Average car repair in America costs $838, up 43% since 2019. But half that increase isn't inflation, it's scams. I lived both sides, turning wrenches in the bay and closing deals at the desk. I've seen honest mistakes and straight theft. Subscribe and hit that bell, because these 10 signs will protect your wallet. First red flag. They won't show you proof of the problem. Shop says you need a $1,200 catalytic converter, but won't show you diagnostic scanner codes or photos. That's intentional. Every phone shoots video. Every real shop has scan tools. Can't show you means don't want to show you. The problem either doesn't exist or isn't that bad. Real shops show evidence. No proof, no service. Next tactic costs drivers $2 billion yearly. Stay with me. Second sign. Everything marked critical on your inspection. All brakes red. All fluids red. All filters red. That's fear-based selling. They weaponize your lack of knowledge to scare you into spending. Honest shops prioritize. This is urgent for safety. This can wait 3 months. This is fine for a year. All emergency means they're lying. Walk out. Third sign. Verbal quotes instead of written estimates. It'll run about 700, maybe 800. We'll see. That's a blank check. Most states legally require written estimates. Parts, labor, fees, taxes, all itemized. Demand written quotes and watch shady shops get uncomfortable. Why? Paper trail means accountability. No written estimate, no deal. Period. If this is helping, comment one word. Learn. It pushes this to more people before they get scammed. Fourth sign. No warranty on repairs. No warranty means they don't trust their own work. Most states require 90 days minimum. Good shops offer 6 to 12 months or 10 to 12,000 miles. Best shops hit 3 years or 36,000 miles. No warranty at all? That's advertising they don't stand behind anything. Leave. Fifth sign. They skip diagnostics and guess. Guy listens 5 seconds and says you need a $6,000 engine rebuild. That's fortune telling, not diagnosis. Real diagnosis needs scan tools, test drives, service bulletins, measurements. Guessing costs you massive money, while the real problem waits to strand you. Never pay for gut feelings. Next scam involves counterfeit parts at original prices. I've seen it destroy engines. Don't click away. Sixth sign. Pushing cheap parts without disclosure. Quote seems too cheap? They're using knockoff parts while charging premium prices. Some are straight counterfeit with fake labels. Ask directly. What brand? OEM or aftermarket? Tier 1 or generic? Where is it from? What warranty? Defensive or evasive answers mean they're hiding quality. Don't authorize. Seventh sign. Price changes after you approved. A quote 700, you approve. Bill comes to 1,600. Nobody called, nobody asked. That's illegal in every state. Any change needs your explicit authorization first. You're not obligated to pay excess. Demand original amount and file complaints with State Attorney General and Better Business Bureau. Eighth sign. Won't return your old parts? Won't show you removed parts? They probably never replaced them. Billed you but left old parts in. Pro move. When dropping off, say I want every replaced part saved in my trunk. Watch their face change. They know you're not an easy mark now. Drop a comment now. Which sign did you experience? Your story prevents others from losing hundreds or thousands. Subscribe because this channel protects you from predators. 9th sign. Zero labor transparency. Ask how many hours, and they say labor's labor, flat rate. We don't break it down. Leave immediately. Every manufacturer publishes labor times. Every repair has standard hours. Ask directly. How many hours per factory manual? What's your hourly rate? Mitchell or all data? Simple questions making them irritated? They plan to pad hours and overcharge. 10th sign. Pressure tactics for immediate decisions. We're slammed. Decide now or wait 6 weeks. This quote expires today. We already started. You're committed. All manipulation to prevent second opinions or research. You always have the right to think. In other quotes, call back tomorrow. Pressure equals quick bonus. Online reviews reveal truth. Google, Yelp, Facebook showing pattern of same complaints? Overcharging, unauthorized work, changing prices? That's not coincidence. That's documented evidence. 1 or 2 bad reviews may be misunderstanding. 10 to 15 saying same thing? Clear pattern. Believe it and avoid. These 10 signs warn when mechanics try ripping you off. Memorize them. Screenshot this. 2 or more red flags? Don't argue. Say thank you, take keys, drive elsewhere. Your bank account thanks you. Your turn. Comment which scam happened to you. What shop to avoid. What other red flag to add. Your experience builds stronger community. This video saved you from $1,000 scam? Prove it with like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Share with anyone who drives. This channel speaks truth dishonest mechanics. Pray you never learn. Next video brings more insider info, keeping your money in your pocket.